What's going on, everybody? So I was asked to do another video on the scammer and some of the stuff that he's posting. So I just want to go over show results every single week. Check this out. We got 10 things deleted. One of them's Bank of America. If you want to go get that charge off, who do you think is going to win out of you and Bank of America's attorneys? Basically saying that you're not going to win, but obviously Andre can win. So the issues with the photos here are it's CRC. So we don't even know if anything was technically deleted. And if it was, it's Equifax. Equifax, everybody knows, is the easiest to clean up, without a doubt. So that's one thing that I wanted to point out. Now let me go back to this. Somebody signed up with him 4 years ago. They come back trying to find that dope credit guru, but he hates the word guru and he actually calls it goro or guru. I don't know how he says it, but so, let's just say all this stuff is real. I don't think anybody really cares that without hesitation, he wires me $1,000 to get started, and we don't sell for, we don't this, we don't that. But this is my favorite part. If you have a F, I'm not gonna read it obviously because all the cussing, but is this really how you want to talk to consumers? So we get you're hiding in Vietnam, so you feel safe, but do you really want to talk to consumers this way? Apparently so. Apparently so. And that's really it. But as far as the advertising and marketing goes, he's doing that with badcredit.org and those blog companies that he pays. If you are paying somebody, that's advertisement. I'm sorry, it is. It's advertisement. Then he has a short video. Oh yeah, God's existence is not a fact, it's an opinion. So he doesn't believe in God apparently, and then he calls people losers. But yeah, anyway, shout out to John. John wanted me to make this video. I really didn't want to make it. I've been super busy, y'all. That's why I haven't posted anything on YouTube. And the little bit I have is just short clips. I just don't have time. I've got way too many people signing up. You can definitely tell it's tax time. People are being smart with their money, which is amazing. Kudos to those that are actually doing something with their tax money and not just going out and buying the newest Jordans or buying a car that's going to get repoed in 2 months. And that's not me judging anybody. It's been that way for as long as I can remember. But if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.